Hi guys, this is Chef Tarun Sibal and I'm at Khi Khi, my bar in Vasant Vihar. Surprisingly, I'm not in the kitchen. I am, as you can see, I'm behind my bar. And what we're going to do is do a Christmas, a winter special. Not on a plate. I'm doing something which is as similar to a plum cake but in a glass. Let's begin, guys. For this particular one, I'm using an Appleton 12 rum and I'm pouring almost 240 ml of the liquid, and I'm gonna steep some apricots and walnuts into the liquid, and I'm gonna keep this overnight because this is gonna become the base of my drink, which I will make a day from now. So let's wait for a day for the fruit, for the liquid to extract all its character and give a new flavor profile to the rum. So it's been 24 hours and you can see how the liquid has changed colors. It has gone mellow. The apricot has not only imparted its flavor, but a hint of its color. So let's build this cocktail up. We're gonna do this like a built-up drink, almost like you do for a Negroni. So I'm adding some ice. I'm using 40 ml of the liquid that we kept overnight, followed by 10 ml of Amaro and 10 ml of red vermouth. Diluting the drink with ice. Give it a good stir, 15 to 20. This will not only chill the drink, it will also dilute a little. And voila, we are ready to pour this Christmas special for our guests. Ready to pour our drink. So we've got an old-fashioned glass and I'm putting a block ice. I'm also stamping the glass for some fanfare. We'll give it a good 30 seconds. The weight of the stamp will make sure that the ice gets a little bit melted and makes that impression. That's about it. And finally, we pour this lovely liquid. So this is a Christmas special. It's called the Khi Khi Reserva. Technically, a reserva on a label doesn't mean anything, but it just makes you take notice. And there's so much going on for this drink. There's the Appleton 12-year-old rum. There is the Amaro Montenegro. There is the vermouth. There is the apricot and walnut, giving it as a very Christmassy punch to it. And I'm serving this with a homemade plum cake. Cheers, guys. Merry Christmas.